When you work out, especially with weights, you actually are causing the damage to your muscles. So when your body repairs that damage, it gets stronger. So just picture a piece of steak, and you're cutting that steak, and you see those long fibers in the steak, and then you start cutting that long fiber in different places, right? So that's exactly what happening to your muscles. When you doing biceps curls, the bicep muscle will be teared in different places. And then when you properly recover and take time to recover this muscle, right? Your body will heal those broken down spots, and it will rebuild not the straight line but a little bit extra on that line. So that's how the muscle grows.